Hey, and welcome to your channel. Have you ever felt like happiness is just out of reach? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to become a happier person. No matter where you're at in life, there are steps you can take to shift your mindset and lead a more fulfilling life. What if I told you that the key to happiness isn't about waiting for something big to happen? It's actually about shifting the small things you do every day. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple but powerful truth. Happiness is a habit. Many of us think that happiness is something we achieve after a big milestone, a promotion, a new car, or a vacation. But research shows that happiness isn't something you find once you reach a destination. It's something you build moment by moment, day by day. So, how do we build this habit of happiness? Let me share some key points grounded in science and years of psychological research. 1. Practice gratitude every day. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for boosting happiness. It's all about focusing on the positive things in your life instead of dwelling on what you don't have or what's going wrong. Research from Dr. Robert Emmons, one of the leading experts on gratitude, has shown that people who practice gratitude regularly are happier, healthier, and even sleep better. The process is simple. Start a gratitude journal. Every night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. They can be big or small, anything that made your day better. It could be as simple as a nice cup of tea or a supportive friend. Shift your mindset. Whenever you're feeling stressed or unhappy, pause and list a few things you're grateful for. This helps redirect your brain's focus on positive things and breaks the cycle of negative thoughts. Gratitude rewires your brain to notice more positive aspects of your life. Over time, this shift can create lasting changes in your emotional well-being. 2. Nurture your relationships. Humans are social creatures, and we thrive on connection. In fact, having strong, meaningful relationships is one of the most important factors in determining overall happiness. Studies have shown that people with fulfilling relationships tend to be healthier, live longer, and are more resilient in times of stress. How to nurture your relationships? Invest time. Relationships require time and attention. Make an effort to connect with loved ones, whether it's through quality conversations or shared activities. Be present. In today's digital world, we often find ourselves distracted by phones and other devices. When you're with someone, focus fully on them. Listen actively, engage with empathy, and put away distractions. Show appreciation. Sometimes, we take people for granted. Express gratitude toward those who support you, whether it's a simple thank you or small acts of kindness. Strong relationships are built on trust, communication, and mutual respect. Prioritize the people who bring positivity into your life. 3. Practice mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It's a mental state where you focus all your attention on what's happening right now rather than being lost in thoughts about the future or past. Studies have shown that mindfulness helps reduce anxiety, depression, and increases overall well-being. Here's how you can practice mindfulness. Mindful breathing. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly. This helps you calm your mind and become more centered. Mindful eating. Instead of rushing through your meals, try eating mindfully. Focus on the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. This can turn even the simplest meal into a satisfying experience. Mindful walking. While walking, pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the sounds around you, or the feeling of the air on your skin. This simple practice can help you become more grounded and present. The more you practice mindfulness, the more you train your brain to live in the present moment, leading to reduced stress and greater happiness. 4. Engage in physical activity. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's essential for your mind, too. Physical activity increases the production of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These chemicals help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. But you don't have to run a marathon to experience the benefits. Start small. Begin with activities you enjoy, like walking, cycling, or dancing. Even a short 20-minute walk each day can improve mood and energy levels. Consistency is key. Make physical activity a regular part of your routine. The more consistently you exercise, the better you'll feel over time. Mix it up. Try different types of exercise to keep things interesting. Yoga, swimming, and strength training are all great ways to stay active while also building strength, flexibility, and resilience. Physical activity has numerous benefits for mental health and can make a huge difference in your overall happiness. 5. Pursue meaningful goals. Having a sense of purpose is crucial for long-term happiness. Studies have shown that people who set meaningful goals are more satisfied with their lives, even when facing challenges. The process of working towards something that aligns with your values gives you a sense of direction and fulfillment. Here's how you can pursue meaningful goals. Set SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This structure helps keep you focused and motivated. Align goals with values. Think about what truly matters to you, whether it's personal growth, helping others, or achieving professional success. Set goals that align with these values. Celebrate small wins. Achieving a large goal can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into smaller steps makes it more manageable. Celebrate these small victories along the way. Having goals gives your life direction and meaning, which can lead to greater satisfaction and happiness. 6. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Most of us have a negative inner voice that criticizes us when we make mistakes. But research by Dr. Kristen Neff shows that self-compassion, treating yourself with the same kindness that you would offer a friend, is crucial for mental well-being. When you're kind to yourself, you're less likely to feel stressed or anxious about your imperfections. Here's how you can practice self-compassion. Recognize your common humanity. When you make mistakes, remember that everyone does. You're not alone in facing challenges. Talk to yourself with kindness. Replace harsh self-criticism with words of encouragement. Treat yourself as you would treat a close friend who is struggling. Forgive yourself. Let go of past mistakes and forgive yourself. Dwelling on the past only keeps you stuck and prevents you from moving forward. Self-compassion builds resilience and reduces negative self-talk, ultimately leading to a happier, more peaceful life. 7. Give back to others. One of the most surprising secrets to happiness is that helping others can actually make us happier. When we give, whether it's our time, resources, or kindness, we experience what's known as the helper's high, a sense of joy and satisfaction that comes from making a positive difference. Here's how you can give back. Volunteer your time. Whether it's helping out at a local shelter, mentoring someone, or participating in community projects, volunteering can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Random acts of kindness. Hold the door for someone, offer a compliment, or help a stranger in need. Small gestures of kindness can brighten someone's day and boost your own happiness. Support causes you believe in. Donate to charity, fundraise, or raise awareness for causes that matter to you. Giving in this way aligns your values with your actions. Helping others not only creates positive change, but also enhances your own happiness. 8. Embrace positive thinking. Optimism doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means approaching challenges with the belief that things can improve. Positive thinking has been shown to lower stress, improve physical health, and enhance overall happiness. Here's how you can foster a more positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, try to reframe the thought in a more positive light. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," think, "I may not know how to do this yet, but I can learn." Visualize success. Take a moment to imagine achieving your goals and the positive feelings that would come with it. Visualization can boost motivation and foster a sense of possibility. Focus on strengths. Rather than obsessing over weaknesses, focus on what you're good at. Recognizing your strengths boosts confidence and happiness. By choosing to focus on the positives, you train your mind to look for opportunities instead of obstacles. 9. Accept imperfection. Finally, remember that happiness is not about perfection. In fact, trying to be perfect can lead to stress, burnout, and dissatisfaction. Accepting your imperfections and those of others helps you find peace and embrace life as it is. Here's how to practice acceptance. Let go of unrealistic expectations. Stop holding yourself to impossible standards. Be realistic about what you can achieve and acknowledge your progress. Celebrate imperfections. Instead of viewing imperfections as flaws, see them as part of what makes you unique and human. Embrace them. Practice patience. Growth takes time. Be patient with yourself as you work toward becoming the person you want to be. Accepting imperfection frees you from the pressure of perfectionism and allows you to find joy in the journey. Becoming a happy person is not about waiting for happiness to find you. It's about taking intentional steps every day to create a life that aligns with your values, goals, and well-being. By practicing gratitude, nurturing relationships, being present, staying active, setting meaningful goals, showing self-compassion, helping others, fostering positivity, and embracing imperfection, you can cultivate lasting happiness in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the green button and subscribe. Let's keep growing together. I'll see you in the next one. Stay happy and keep striving for positive change.